Hey guys, I'm excited to explore with you today Meta's newest large language model for coding, Code Llama. It supports some of the most popular languages today, like Python, JavaScript, C# and Bash. It can take both natural language and code, and either write new code or debug your code. Code completion is one of the hot topics right now in coding with AI and large language models. The context length is even longer than before, at up to 100,000 tokens, allowing you to potentially put in entire code bases to help you as you write. Now that we've told you more about it, let's show you how to get this running super easy on your local machine using Textgen.
Let's create a conda environment. So assuming you've installed Anaconda, let's create a conda environment. Name v, name, let's say YT Textgen. How about that? Conda create name with Python equals 3.10.9. I'd like to preserve Python version. Let's say yes, do everything I need, create this now. So great. Now activate that. Perfect. And let's install PyTorch. So I have an NVIDIA card. So all I have to do is just copy this and go from there. And it installs your NVIDIA, your CUDA, and what you need for it, which is brilliant. Linux is super easy, or your Windows subsystem for Linux. Then here's where I do the git clone. Go into this, cd into that, and then install your requirements. Pip install -r requirements.txt, and here it goes. All the installations. Great. So now you take a look here and you have servers here. So there are two ways to really download a model. I'll demonstrate one of them. So you can do Python, download model, and just paste in the model you want to download.
You can get model names from the Hugging Face model card here.
Download, and here it goes. I'm showing you the instruct version because the instruct version has chat and instructions. Surprise, surprise. Python, server.py, and it spins up your server. That's it. And you look at this. Here is your local link. And all you have to do is go to 127.0.0.1. Let's say whatever thing you have, and here you go. You have this web UI that makes your life so much easier when using this. Now all you have to do is just pick the model and refresh to make sure you have a list of all the models you have in here. This is where you download the Code Llama instruction, the 7 billion version. Now that you've updated the settings, you can pick how much GPU RAM you want to pick. And here you go. You pick this, you've loaded this, and then you can start testing. So you've got a couple options up here, chat, default, and notebook. You can go here, for example, and go, please write a Python script to load a file named test.csv into pandas data frame, then generate descriptive statistics. And here you go. Sometimes there's some problems with how much extra space or whether it gets caught up. Notice clear your history. And for example, say you are loading data from patient.csv. Please use the table 1 package to load age, sex, race, length of stay and hospital characteristics, and generate mark the sex, race, and hospital characteristics as categorical variables. Now this should understand stop, where you can say remove last in Python. And now I regenerate that. This effect is not bad. And sometimes it gets terminated because of the length of the tokens you have. We just need to expand further. Something that does more talking than coding. I think there are other ways I need to learn how to use this, because right now it's giving me lots of text and no coding. And as you can see, it does get stuck sometimes. So, thanks for watching.